It's LadyRanger here in a place called Connecticut. Sunrise was at 7:17 a.m. 7:17. Let's say that 10 times fast. What a tongue twister. 7:17. Try it, guys. Well, it's not just about the sunrise. It's also about your surroundings during the sunrise. So I did get some amazing photos this morning, and look at the beautiful natural sand and shells reflecting off that sun. Light hits it and then it reflects. It's gorgeous. And then you see what you see here. They're like rays. Low tide here this morning for sure. Got the boots on. Although rubber boots are not the best. You have to be very careful with rubber boots. But I can go through the swamp here, the muck. Well, he's got a catch. I'm trying to see what it is from here. It's like a little... one of those little porgies or that the bluefish go after, maybe. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry for the little feedback, but when you're in bright sunlight, what can we expect? And here I am on the island. Very pretty. And that's it for sunrise this morning. Trying to see what that seagull is doing over there. Oh yes. He's having his breakfast. I'll just take a little walk with me up here. Let's see if we can do this without flopping. Okay, so here we go. Those are cool waves rolling in the distance there. See those waves rolling? Very nice. That's the current there in the river. There's a marina down this area. And I am at a beautiful island here in Guilford, known as the Chaffinch Island, where you can see Long Island Sound. You can see off to where basically Jacob's Beach is, near the dock. You can see, but look at the leaves here. Is this not gorgeous? Fabulous. I'm going to go around here to show you what I saw when I first walked up this hill this morning. Sensational. Look at these leaves. I'm going to refrain now from talking and you can just follow me in the video. Well, you have seen Chaffinch Island, most of it, but I could have gone a lot further. Maybe we'll do a second half. So there it is out there, Faulkner's Island, which I was there about almost a month ago fishing near the area. It was very nice there. Look at the sunrise. Whoa. Look at that. I guess I can't go on the direct sunlight, but that is gorgeous. The birds just love to fly by. Sunrise. We've got to be almost 18 minutes into sunrise now. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching Sunrise with the LadyRanger and Chaffinch Island in Guilford, Connecticut. See you next time. Enjoy your beautiful Friday and your weekend. Thank you.